Is it time to change your air filter on your Can-Am Maverick Trail? I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen, and this is Maintenance Matters. We're going to start by loosening the two clips on your access panel. Lay that aside. Next, you're going to remove the three clips that are on your Airbox filter lid. Lay that aside. Gently pull on the air filter, and it'll slide out. When checking your air filter, you'll want to check for any dirt, debris, any kind of messed up fins on the inside of your air filter. This one's pretty new, so we're going to reuse it. If yours has any damage, go on ahead and contact your dealership and get a new one. Since we have this one apart, we're going to go ahead and use an air gun to blow this out. While you have your air filter apart, wipe down the inside of your Airbox. Make sure it's good and clean. Wipe down the Airbox lid as well. Reinstall your air filter. Feel that pop into place. Reinstall the lid. Make sure your clips are installed correctly. Lock those down. Reinstall your access panel. Lock it down. And that's how easy it is to change your air filter on your Can-Am Maverick Trail. Happy riding!